All right, class. Mr. Hale here again. Hoping you guys are having a good time. Here's our next installment we're going to be talking about today, which is our galactic address. Just like we have addresses like Garden School's 3316 79th Street, Jackson Heights, New York, in the United States, there's a galactic address that we have. And we're going to start off with Chapter 20, the universe. And we want to know what our galactic address really is. So first, we start off here on Earth. Okay, just like you would. You guys are on a street, and then we're part of a city, to a state, to the country, to a hemisphere, and all the way to the whole world. Now we're the Earth. Okay, the Earth is part of our beginning of our galactic address. So we are one planet that's part of the solar system. In our solar system, we have our 8 different planets, plus Pluto, and the Kuiper Belt, and a whole bunch of other things that are in there that make up our solar system. Our solar system is just one of the small amount of things, or one of the many billions of solar systems out there. We're just one of them. Our solar system is part of a solar system group. Okay, there are a lot of other systems out there, like Vega, Altar. Some of the stars that you see at night actually have solar systems going around them. So we're part of our thing called the solar interstellar neighborhood. Okay, that neighborhood of stars, just like a state or a city, is made up to our state, which is like our galaxy. In our galaxy, if you look really close, you can see that little red, those little red text. That red text kind of shows you right where the Earth is in our solar system. And every little colored dot, that's over 1 billion of little dots there, make up a star. Our Milky Way galaxy is over 1 billion stars there. And we're just one of those billions of stars. And that's our Milky Way galaxy. Now our galaxy is actually part of a thing called the local galactic group. Okay? Our local galactic group is a group of other galaxies that are out there. And we're going to talk what a galaxy is in a second. And our little galaxy, you can see in the red, kind of in the center, called the Milky Way galaxy, is part of this local group that includes Andromeda, okay, the NGC 3190. There's a whole bunch of different galaxies. Now these are just one small group of local galaxies that are together. That makes up this thing called the Virgo cluster, the supercluster. Our galaxy is only part of that little supercluster. And then the supercluster is made up of a whole bunch of superclusters. That little red dot represents just one. That supercluster that we are represents just a cluster that we're in. And that leads us to the entire observable universe. We are just one small speck in this entire universe. So, but really, what is a galaxy? Because most of this deals down to what is a galaxy. Okay? And a galaxy is basically a huge grouping of stars. Okay? Just like our solar systems are grouping of planets that go around one star. Okay, our galaxy is all the stars going around one central object, normally a black hole. The name of our galaxy is called the Milky Way, but there are 3 types of galaxies that we'd like to look for. So the 3 galaxies that we're looking at, and you need to know these for your test, are a spiral galaxy. That's what Milky Way is. We're a spiral galaxy. An elliptical galaxy, which is kind of like an oval shape, a spherical shape, and an irregular galaxy, kind of like when you sneeze and you blow your nose and there's snot all over the place. That's kind of what an irregular galaxy looks like. So, just to refresh our memories, we have our galactic group, the observable universe, with the billions and billions of galaxies that break down into the local cluster of galaxies. These are all little dots, are just galaxies, the clusters of galaxies, all the way down to our cluster of galaxies. Okay, this is a cluster of galaxies down to, here's where all our galaxies that are in our little cluster, down to our galaxy itself. We're on that little spiral that's right near the red. Okay, our spiral is made up of a whole bunch of other stars that are in our thing, our little solar systems. We are the one dot in the solar system to the middle, where our sun is, and we are one planet that orbits the sun. This is a huge universe, impossible for anybody to fully understand. Hope you guys have any questions. You can always reach out to me. This is Mr. Hale, KD2 LPN for K2GSG, signing out.